Okay, the first step is we have to prepare about the rectangle in here, because the rectangle is very important for the fundamental process of this 3D modeling. And then we have to push it up again. We have to push it up these surfaces around 5 meter in here, 5 meter or 4 meter. It's depend on our necessary anyway. Then we can also make the object to be a group in here. Okay, and then and after that we have to determine about the another meshing or another openings over there. In this progress, we have to put the another meshing or justification about the 3D model to be L-shaped like this. But we can also justify it with another 3D model in here. Then we can determine about the top surface to push it up to get more meshing on the first floor over there. So the house is not only single floor, it's also have one floor more above in here. And then for this step, we can determine about the openings, and in this case I consider about the corner openings or corner fixed window in here to make it more elegant and make more glamour and also the luxury. I think the luxurious one is very important for this 3D modeling, because it has a potential from the basic meshing in here to develop to the luxurious modern house in here. And then we can also consider and determine about the frame of this corner window, because we have to follow about the construction rules. We have to follow about the construction rules. Then we can consider about the materials availability. Anyway, the material availability is very important, because and we have to consider about the construction progress over there. And then we have to push it the fundamental for the slab in here to make it more representative. And then we can make the L shape of the canopy over there on above the fixed corner window over there. We can offset it outside like this and make the close line over there. Then it has a surfaces, then we can push it up on there. And anyway, we can also put the coloring in here. We can choose about the coloring over there, and we can also extend about the canopy in here. We can also extend about the canopy, so the canopy is more variative than the usual. Then this is the vertical shading in here. I put the vertical shading, so the corner window is not only just the fixed window, it's also become the accent of the building. And I choose the dark gray color to make it more highlighted well on the cornering window, because the canopy, the dark canopy is for me it was a luxurious color. For me it was a luxury color. And then we make the another slab or simple roof on the exterior. Then I extend about the canopy over there to make it more bold in here on the top, to make more bold on the top anyway. Then we can put the column. We can put the column over there, and okay, maybe we can use the another opening. We can draw to be another opening over there. Okay, and it's just a small window on linear with the another side over there. And then We can also make the another finishing on there. We can make the extended wall thickness in here. We can make the extended wall thickness, and we can make the curve over there. We can make the curve, and we can make the another reverse curve in here, on here, and also adjust about the stone materials over there, because I wanna appear the accent over there with the travertine. It was travertine, and for the accent inside, or the engraved accent, is about the marble stone look like on that. And then we have to extend more about the balcony over there. We have to extend more about the balcony, and then we can consider about the entrance door or entrance opening over there. Okay, and I divide it into the three part of the opening windows with the frameless glass window. With the frameless glass window on there, and I put the another railing. I put the another railing on the another position over there, and I give the thickness, and I give the thickness of the railing, and then I put the height or elevation about the railing of the balcony in here. And then after that I put the another openings or access way to the balcony in here, the semi outdoor balcony. Okay, and I extend about the another side balcony. Okay, and then in the step I choose the color. I choose the appropriate color to make the house more colorful, but it's not too much. So I just consider about the color, that make sure, and I just consider about the color and make sure that the color is not disturbing. It's not has the disturbing effect in here. So I just choose the calm color or simple color in here, like travertine mode in here, and gray, and also dark gray only, and the additional color like a white over there, and I support it into the another landscaping, like a sloping garden over there, sloping a small garden over there, and I put this another palm trees to make it more representative enough as a commercial building over there. And this is, it's not only just house, but it can also be a commercial building anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.